GitHub is the best place for free and open source software. GitHub is an online platform for developers to collaborate on code and publish their software. Lots of it is free and some of it is absolutely top try. However, because it's made for developers, it is not exactly user friendly. Here's how to find your way around. Searching for free apps on the internet can be malware creator or just itching for you to click on a search result that leads to their site, and they are pretty good at making them look attractive and then tricking you into downloading a virus or so. Before you go and start downloading things from the internet, make sure you are protected with a antivirus solution, ideally one with a web browser integration that flags downloads before they reach your device. Now you are ready to start searching free open source software for productively word processing, driving, video editing and design, gaming and even entry. Operating system can be found on GitHub, but it can be difficult to wade through the vast number of projects stored in, especially as many of them are developer tools that do not make much sense for a regular user. That's why it's much easier to use websites dedicated to list of free software than trying to browse GitHub directly. If you are on Windows 9, it provides an installer for a collection of high quality free apps that cover a lot of common PC tasks. So your search for free stuff may end there if you are after something specific. If you know the category of the app you want or know the name of a pet product, you can also punch it into alternative to get a list of similar software and filter it to the free option. Every app on alternative to has is ranked and reviewed, so you can stick to the ones that are in good standing with other user. Despite a site like alternative to making it easy to find free software with a friendly interface, you will run into a free app that is hosted on GitHub and need to navigate its confusing interface. Once you have landed on the GitHub page for a free app or game, the next step is to determine whether a pre-packaged version is available. Software is published to GitHub as source code, and it cannot be run directly on your computer without taking a number of technical steps to build it, something regular user do not have the tools to. Some developers, however, do provide packaged code either on GitHub or on their own websites. You just have to find it. To start your runs for the tablet downloaded link, scroll down the page for the GitHub project and look for the section, paste the list of file and developer. This is where the developer puts all the information user need to get started. Often